Have you ever wondered how a river is formed? What magical process transforms a tiny drop of rain into a mighty, meandering body of water? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the fascinating journey of a river from its humble beginnings to its grand conclusion. In the world of geology, the story of a river starts with something as simple as rain. When rain falls on the land, it doesn't just sit there, it begins moving downwards due to gravity. This movement of water is what we call runoff. Runoff finds its way through the smallest cracks and crevices in the land, forming tiny streams, or rills. As more rain falls, these rills combine to form larger streams, which we call brooks. These brooks then merge to create even larger streams known as creeks. As the process continues and more water is added, these creeks unite to form what we know as a river. But how does a river keep growing? Well, it's helped by something known as a watershed. A watershed is an area of land that catches rain and snow and drains it into a common outlet, such as a river. All the water falling within the watershed flows into the same river, helping it grow larger and stronger. Now, a river isn't just a straight path of water, it twists and turns, creating bends known as meanders. These meanders are caused by erosion, the process of wearing away the land. On the outside of a meander, the water flows faster, eroding the bank and making the river wider. On the inside, the water flows slower, depositing sediment and making the river shallower. Finally, after a long journey, the river meets the sea or an ocean, in a place called the delta. Here, the river slows down, depositing all the sediment it has carried along its journey. Over time, this sediment builds up to create new land. So, in a nutshell, the journey of a river is a tale of rain, runoff, and erosion. It begins with a single drop of water and ends with a mighty river carving its way through the land. It's a tale of growth, change, and unending movement. Isn't nature amazing? Today we've learned that a river starts as rain, forms rills, brooks, and creeks, and grows with the help of watersheds. We've discovered how it carves its path through erosion, creating meanders, and we've seen how it ends its journey at the delta, creating new land. This is the fascinating story of how a river is formed. Remember, every drop of water has a story. Next time you see a river, think about the incredible journey it has taken to be there. It's a journey that's been happening for millions of years and will continue for millions more. Now, isn't that something to ponder?